Investigation continues into what caused that deadly Oakland warehouse fire that killed 36 people.
Yeah, it is the deadliest fire in this country in the last decade. ABC's Danya Backus is in Oakland tonight with the very latest developments.
The coroner's office saying the at least 3 dozen victims died of smoke inhalation. The investigation now turning criminal with possible murder charges.
When you look inside the warehouse, there's no question that something was not right.
According to city officials, the warehouse was uninhabitable, lacking the proper permits for living, a past resident saying it wasn't safe.
It was a hellhole. It was a death trap.
The warehouse was allegedly run by Derek Ion Almina.
They're my friends, they're my family.
Last month, multiple complaints were filed for building violations. One resident, paying $750 to live there, says things were fine.
Did you ever feel unsafe living there?
No, there's a lot of fire extinguishers because we didn't have a sprinkler system.
Investigators now going through every part of the warehouse, piecing together what sparked that deadly fire.
There's one corner that remains unstable, and then that's another thing that we're going to be doing throughout the day today is stabilizing that corner so that we can search that last section.
Truly a heartbreaking story here. Authorities telling us that the victims knew they were going to die. In those final moments, they sent texts to loved ones and held each other. In Oakland, Danya Backus, ABC News.